Hello guys, this is another video, another lab, right? Another video lab on the CKA. And for this one, we are going to be exposing a pod via a service. And for this one, we are going to basically create an Ubuntu pod, like it says right there in the description. And this image is going to have a label, which is app OS. And we are going to create a service named Ubuntu service to expose the Ubuntu pod application within the cluster on port 8080. Sounds good? Sounds easy. So let's go ahead and start with this. So let's go ahead and move to the use context Kubernetes admin. So we're looking good. So the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to create a pod named Ubuntu pod. So, and then they want you to use the Ubuntu image with this label. Okay. Now create a service. And then I guess they want to say, and then create a service named Ubuntu service to expose the Ubuntu pod application within the cluster on port 8080. Sounds easy, right? Let's go ahead and try this. So, okay, run, copy the name, Ubuntu pod, using the image of Ubuntu, looking good, looking beautiful. And then they want to do a label. Let's see how we do the label. If we do the help, I think, let me see. So for the labels, we're going to use this guy right here. And let's see how the labels are being used. Maybe there is an example here, and we have environment label. So it needs to be equals, and if you have multiple ones, you need to have a comma. Okay, looking good. So we can use the labels, and this one is going to be app equals to OS, and then we are going to create the server. So this is all we need for this. Okay, so I'm just going to do a dry run for now, just in case we mess something up or if we need to edit it, right? And then we do YAML. We're going to do YAML, and let's just make this pod.yaml. Awesome, cool beans. Let's go ahead and clear this. Too much on my screen, I don't like it. So now we need to create a service, and we're going to name this Ubuntu service to expose Ubuntu pod application within the cluster. And we're probably going to be using the label set. Yeah, that's what we're going to be using. So let's go ahead and go service. Okay. So this one looks, there's a pod. Can we do like labels? Because I'm not sure where the labels are going to go for the service. That's it. Okay, so I think we're gonna have to put it up here. I think that's what it is. So let's go ahead and let's copy this bad boy right here. So we're going to go vim svc for service.yaml, and what is the name? Oops, undo. What is the name of the service? There's an Ubuntu service. And then I think it's right here where we do labels. And then where do we put it? Like right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at labels somewhere. Labels. Okay, so it needs to start right here. Now I can just copy the whole thing, and then I can just edit it. That's all I like to do. So it can be, the indentation is great. So OS, and over here it needs to be app. There we go. So we have the labels. That's how the servers are going to bind to it. The selectors, we don't need it, so we can just remove this guy. Port, it needs to be, I'm just gonna say 8080 and 8080. So 8080 and also 8080 over here. Looking good, looking like $1 million. So we have that. We have Ubuntu service to expose Ubuntu pod 8080. Save it. Then we do okay, create svc YAML. Looking good. Okay, get svc. Oh, get service svc. What is it? Ubuntu service. Looking good. Port 8080. You can also get inside of get, you can do like describe. You can see it right here. It's been described for 8080. Looking good. I think if we do the get pod, the Ubuntu is probably get pod. What was the name of it? Ubuntu. Oh, we never ran the Ubuntu pod, so we need to go create f Ubuntu. No, pod. That's what we named the file. There we go. Get pod Ubuntu. You can see it's trying to create it, complete it, and then it crashes because, as you know, the containers, this is an Ubuntu container, and the only thing that it does is just creates the container, and then it just stops because it doesn't do anything else, right? But yeah, I think this is it. Let's go ahead and do the check mark. Validation successful. Boom. Let's go. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. This is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys learn some tricks. And also, if you want to take a look at the labels for that Ubuntu pod, you can do show labels, and it gives you the labels right here. App OS. Yep, looking good. So yeah, another one that we have done. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.